That's just a holding page that we've got up there at the moment. Now, we've been looking at different styles and stuff of websites, and this design here was taken from La Boheme's original poster in the 1800s for the opera. I was inspired by that, okay? I think we should do the website with a little nod to hip-hop. Sweet. Well, we can't do anything quite as fancy as this, but
nice.
Just the way it's put together is really cool, and a lot of our graphics are really, really rich in the flyer and the poster and stuff, so I think we could maybe think about some stuff like this. It won't be...
Is this the Urban Opera website?
No, this is Style Wars. It's a documentary that was made in 1984 in New York about the beginning of hip-hop culture.
That's the one they showed on Arena.
So this is kind of how
the wheel steals.
Yeah, we were looking for inspiration for the website, so I'm having a meeting this week with the designer and a Flash program developer tomorrow. So, but it's just nice.